Today I am starting a 10-day challenge doing 50 squats every day. If you'd like to join me, please do. I got this idea from my friend Twaun on Traces of Twaun's Life. And Twaun tonight is going to be on my Anchor Moments Mounjaro Monday show. Yay! Now, I did start this with her 9 days ago, but I screwed up. Last night, I babysat my grandson, and I was so tired, and I went to bed, and I woke up this morning and realized, son of a gun, I didn't do day 9.
Wait, you didn't do squat?
I didn't do squat! So I'm doing a do-over, and I'm going to have Jeff tape it each day as my proof of doing it, and you can join me. You can do 50 squats all at once. If 50 squats at one time is too hard for you, you could do 5 squats an hour to hit your 50 squats in a day, however it works for you, or 25 in the morning, maybe 25 before you go to bed, but 50 squats in a day, 10 days in a row. And here is my day 1. And I'm doing mine on my vibration plate because I usually do squats when I'm on my vibration plate anyway. Not 50 squats. I do maybe, 5 or 10 squats while standing on my vibration plate. But I'm going to do all 50 on my vibration plate. And so, and if you like this vibration plate, or if you're curious about it, I put it in my favorite things on my Amazon.com/shop/Anchor Moments site. So anyway, you can find it there. And you can do your squats. You don't have to have a vibration plate. You can just do it on the ground too. But today, on day 1, I'm doing it on my vibration plate. Okay, here we go. All right. And the hardest part for me is my shoulders when I do it because my shoulders are a little stiff. But here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. And I'm going to pause here for a second at 25 and also do a shout out from Mounjaro Journey with Pam. She is also doing this challenge with us. I think there's some other YouTube creators as well joining us, and we hope you join us too. Some people like to hold weights while they're doing their squats, but I have a little bit of a frozen shoulder on my left shoulder. So for me, I'm not doing the weights at the moment.
I know something you can hold.
What can I hold?
A glass of chocolate milk.
Why is that?
Because then I'll have a shake when you get done.
There we go. Okay, I was at 25. Ready? And 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Yay! Okay, day 1 officially done. All right, everybody, hold on to your anchor moments and make it a great day. See you tomorrow. And tonight, anyone watching my live tonight with Twaun at 5 o'clock Pacific, 8 o'clock Eastern. See you soon.